Hello, my name is Komidovi Gideon. I'd just like to do little work on the organic chemistry. What is organic chemistry? I've already told you what organic chemistry is all about. So I would just like to explain little things on it. I said organic chemistry was divided into many parts, which is two parts. We have the hydrocarbon and the what? Non-hydrocarbon. Under the hydrocarbon, we have aromatic hydrocarbon and aliphatic hydrocarbon. Under aromatic, that's where you see your benzene, like your toluene, your phenol, your lanthanum, all those ones. They are under the aromatic. That your aliphatic now is now divided into two. We have the cyclic and the what? And the acyclic. Under the cyclic, you see cycloalkane, all those ones. They are just like under the cycloalkane now. From the that's where you see your cyclopropane, your cyclobutane, all those ones, and they are under your what? Your cyclic. Why under acyclic? You will see your alkane, and you see your alkyne. So we just do little work on the alkane a little. So if you look at this alkane, it has its hybridization is sp3. They form a single bond between carbon and carbon atom. They have a single bond, only one bond, and their formula is CnH2n plus what? 2. That your n now can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. It depends. Like for example now, from this surface, from all these let me just give you. We have a melt, earth, prop, boot, paint, hairs, hept, oct, non, and deck. So if it is in the alkane family, you can only take Ane. If it is alkane, if it is alkane, you can just take the Ane. If it's the alkane, you just put this one. If it's alkyne, just Nyne. So for example now, I can now bring it like methane from this word. So the met is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This deck now, we have on deck, do deck, tri deck, all those ones. Let me just forget about this one. Let me base on the alkane first. So for example now, if you look at the alkane very well, I said they have the formula CnH2n plus what? Plus 2. This is their formula. So let us solve for methane. Remember, met is 1. So since met is 1, I'm gonna write C1 H2 times, anywhere you see n, you put 1. 2 times 1 plus what? 2. Automatically, I'm gonna write C1. 2 times 1 will give you 2. 2 plus 2. It's gonna give you C1 H4. What I can also write as CH4. So it's very easy. How can I draw the structure? I'm not draw one carbon atom, one hydrogen here, one hydrogen here, one hydrogen here, and the last hydrogen there. This is structure for what? Methane. So let's go for the second one, which is the ethane. So the ethane now, anywhere which is, let's bring the formula for CnH2n plus 2. Anywhere you see n, you put 2. C2 H2 times 2 plus 2. I'm now write C2 H. 2 times 2 give you 4 plus 2. C2H. 2 times 2, 4 plus 2 will give you 6. I'm now draw the structure. How many carbon atom is there? We know that we only have 2 carbon atom. 1, 1. Because they can have only single bond between the carbon to carbon atom. How many hydrogen there? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very simple. How many carbon atom? 1, 2. How many hydrogen? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Are you getting it now? Let me give you the last one, which is the propane. The propane, we have let's bring the formula CN H2N plus 2. So how many will be here? Which is 3? C3 H2 times 3 plus what? 2. Now give you C3. 2 times 3 will give you 6 plus 2. Give you C3 H. 6 plus 2. It will give you 8. So let me draw the structure. How many carbon atom? 3. 1, 2, 3. How many hydrogen atom? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the IUPAC nomenclature of this compound, of this organic compound, is what we call propane. This is called ethane, and this is called methane. So all these structures, they are very simple, especially this alkane structure. They are very simple. Like if you look at this part now, from met, earth, prop, and both, they are gases. Like what I said in my last audio, I told you that the methane that is there now, this met is the one we use for all these our gas, all these gas that we use for cooking. The methane is one that is present, that has the formula of CH4. So what I'm going to do now, I've given you met, earth, and prop, which is methane, ethane, propane. So the butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane. I believe that with what is here, you can easily get it. Just for you to, like what the end now, just for you to bring whatever that's supposed to be there, just for you to put it there, then get your answer. Maybe here can be 7. If here is 7, C2, here is also 7. We see 7. H2 times 7 will give you 14 plus 2, which is 14, 16. Now give you C7, H16. Can just bring the structure, everything single bond. I would like to stop here, leaving a word with you, please, and advising you to read your books. Organic chemistry is a very simple topic. It's very interesting, it's very simple, especially the IUPAC nomenclature. All those parts whereby the names, they are very easy. So with what I've given to you, I believe that in arcane, you can try very well in arcane. Thank you.